Hello, bienvenue. Here we are in a farm in La Provence, in the south of France. We're going to discover how they produce cheese here, goat cheese, and how they live in this beautiful area.
This is
Allez ma jolie, si on vient comme ça.
So do you know how to make it?
Well, yes. I've been watching videos for one night.
Do you want to show you?
Rien de rien. It's almost coming. I think something's wrong here. Okay, maybe I should. Okay,
Yeah,
I can
show
hold
you.
it for you.
So you close, okay? It's easy.
Well, a tour manager needs to know how to do this as well. Here we go in the south of France, milking a goat. Come.
Push, you close and you push.
Okay.
But I know when it's the first time, usually it's difficult. 120 goes later.
That's it. I'm going to drink it. Delicieuse. Fantastic.